GIT installation and setup. Windows, Mac, Linux. 1. What is GIT installation? GIT installation equals setting up GIT on your computer so you can use it. GIT is a tool that tracks your code changes. Why? You need GIT before using GitHub or GIT commands. 2. Check if GIT is already installed. Before installing, check if GIT is already there. Command: GIT version. Example: if installed means shows version. If not installed means shows error. Why? Avoid installing again if already present. 3. Install GIT on Windows. Steps: download GIT from official website. Run installer. Click Next. Use default settings. Finish installation. After install, open GIT bash. Run GIT version. Why? GIT bash gives Linux-like commands on Windows. 4. Install GIT on Mac. 2 common ways. Option 1. Using Homebrew. Brew install GIT. Option 2. Install with Xcode command line tools. Xcode select, install. After install, GIT version. Why? Mac needs GIT to manage projects and use GitHub. 5. Install GIT on Linux. Ubuntu, Debian. Use terminal. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install GIT. Check GIT version. Why? GIT is lightweight and works best on Linux. 6. Configure your name and email. Set your identity in GIT. GIT config, global user.name, your name. GIT config, global user. Email, you@email.com. Quote. Example. Name equals noman. Email equals noman@email.com. Why? Every commit needs author information. 7. Set default branch name. Set main as default branch. GIT config, global init, default branch main. Why? Keeps branch naming consistent. 8. Verify GIT configuration. Check settings. GIT config, list. Shows username, user email, default branch. Why? Confirms GIT is ready to use. 9. First test with a repository. Create a test repo. mkdir test project. cd test project. GIT init. Result. GIT starts tracking this folder. Why? Confirms GIT is working correctly. In simple words, GIT installation equals put GIT on your computer. Setup equals tell GIT who you are. Install GIT means configure name, email means start using GIT. Windows, Mac, Linux means all can run GIT. GIT is the first step before GitHub.